Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how I actually started to change px to REM. So what you're gonna do, pixels to REM, is really to be satisfied with something that is about the progress. First of all, what you're gonna do actually is about to go through here on back to files, and this will be about to through settings and preferences on your. Okay, so we have to go back right here again. Maybe this can be ready through units and designs. You're gonna start to see it through the designs, and I think actually about to go through the through any kind of these frames, and then add this frame. Now once you do that, you will start to go for pixels. Okay, I think pixels should be around this part. So we have to see text. Okay, text can be like this. Changing pixels is around auto layering, or actually this thing is really the typograph. This is really the pixels that you're gonna see is ready to be about this one, which is red line high. So pixels REM. Throw measuring finds units. REM, it doesn't apply. So you can start to go through here, px to REM on the way REM to px converter, and that is all to convert REM units. And I hope you see guys video helpful.